Alright, welcome back to the channel everybody. My name is Matthew, and last time you saw us, we had just finished off with these two panels right here. But as you can see, we've made a lot more progress at the moment. We've made up this whole front end, which is actually just about 20 panels in total. And this is by far the most difficult part of the Cobra. All these edges turned, reverse curves, shapes. I mean, there's like two reverses in there in two different directions. It's way more difficult than I expected. But we've got it done mostly. And so at the moment, it's essentially in just three big pieces. We've got these two outsides and the center section, even though those are actually different pieces. But today we were going to actually just jump around to the rear, and we're going to start doing a little bit of polishing today. Just go through the process, see how it goes, and show you what we do.
Exactly. Yeah. That's good, man. That's good.
Alright, so we got the buck turned around, but I forgot to mention the reason we're not actually polishing up the front is those sections are really only tacked together. So if I go and start polishing over that, I'm going to put all that polish compound and the aluminium grit and all that in the weld, or contaminate the area that I'm going to weld anyway. And that's really just going to give me a lot of shit when I'm welding. So we've just swapped it around to a spot that's already been welded and cleaned up. And so we're going to start polishing up this boot here. Now we're not going to go ahead and polish the entire thing. That's going to take a lot of time. But we're just going to go quickly run through it, show you guys our process and what we do here. So the process is, depending on where your panel's at, you can either, we start with a file, just run over the panel, see our highs and lows, finish that off. Then we've got some nice coarse 80 grit to get rid of those file marks. And then we start moving up the grits with an orbital, just 180, 200, 300, 600. And in between grits with the orbital, we're going to just hit it with the orbital, and then we're going to sand directionally just to make sure that we get all the swirls from the orbital out from each previous grit before we move on to the next, just to make sure we get that really clear, that good clarity in the polish at the end. And then after that, we've got two different compounds that we're going to polish with. We've got a cutting compound and a polishing compound. We've also got two different wheels, so we don't contaminate one wheel with the other compound. And then I think that's about it before we start polishing. Also, make sure to wear your respirator. Because this panel is pretty close, we're not going to start with the file or the 80 grit or anything like that. We're just going to hit it with some 180, and we're going to start from there and work our way up in the grits. Cool. Okay. Cool. So now we're done with the sanding bit, and we just went from 180 all the way to 600. And each step we just used the orbital and then switched over and just sanded by hand, just to make sure we get rid of all the swirl marks from the previous stage. Now we're done with that. What we're going to do next is move on to polishing. So we've got first our cutting compound, and then we'll move on to our polishing compound. So we're just going to hook up a pad quick and get busy with that. All right, so there we go, guys. That is one 60% polished panel, but it's looking pretty damn good. We were just super keen to see what it's going to look like once we polish the car. I'm sure you guys are as well. Now, the weld runs right through the middle of this panel, and it is completely gone. I can't see it. So we're going to continue with the rest of the build. There's lots more panels to weld and welds to clean and things like that before we're anywhere near polishing, but polishing is going to take a good 300 hours or so, we're estimating. So that's going to be a whole process in and of itself. But till that time, we will catch you guys on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll be seeing you guys soon with another update.